Hey there, my name is Amer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name for your business. Now if you're like most people, you're probably wondering what is the best way to go about doing that. Well, don't worry, I'm going to break it all down for you and make it super easy, so stay tuned. What is a domain name? A domain name is a unique and recognizable identifier for an organization or individual on the World Wide Web. It's like a street address for your website, and it typically consists of two or more parts such as www.example.com. Domain names are often used to help users locate websites easily, since web browsers and other applications use them to identify sites on the internet. The part of the domain name after the last dot is referred to as top-level domain. Common top-level domains include .com, .net, .org, and so on. For example, UltaHost domain name is ultahost.com with a .com top-level domain. How much does a domain name cost? A domain name can cost anywhere from $0 to hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the specific domain name and the registrar. Generally, shorter and more popular domain names will cost more than longer or less popular ones. The price may vary depending on the extension or top-level domain that you choose. For example, a .com domain name costs almost $13.50 with UltaHost, and it's usually cheaper than a .net or a .org domain name. Choose a domain name that represents your business or website. My perfect domain name for my business or website representing a car rental company, as an example, would be rentyourcars.com. This simple, straightforward domain name conveys immediately the purpose and the mission of my business. It's easy to remember, and it will help create brand identity that customers can recognize. Also, it's a great way to establish myself as an authority in car rental industry and build customer loyalty by increasing recognition of my company's name. What are the rules for buying a domain name? When purchasing a domain name, there are some rules to consider. Number 1. It must be at least 3 characters long and no longer than 63 characters. Number 2. It must contain only letters, numbers, or dashes. Number 3. It must start and end with either a letter or a number. Number 4. Not have any special characters such as exclamation point or %. Number 5. It must not contain spaces between words. Number 6. It must not include any trademark names or phrases. Number 7. It must not contain any offensive language or content. Number 8. It must not already exist, in other words, it must be unique. Number 9. It cannot be an existing registered trademark in the United Kingdom or European Union. Number 10. It must have valid contact information provided, such as name, address, email address, and telephone number. These rules are in place to ensure that domain name purchased is valid and appropriate for use on the web. It's important to carefully consider each rule before purchasing a domain name in order to avoid any potential issues down the line. Purchase the domain name through a registrar like UltaHost. Purchasing a domain name from UltaHost is easy and straightforward. There are a few different methods you can use to acquire a domain name. First, visit our website ultahost.com and click on the domain name tab. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter the domain name that you would like to purchase in the search bar. Once your desired domain name appears in the search results, click on it to add it to your cart and then proceed with checkout. During checkout, you will need to provide your contact information as well as payment details. After submitting payment, your domain name will be registered and you can use it right away. UltaHost makes the entire process easy and convenient by providing helpful customer service representatives who can answer any questions or concerns that you may have throughout the purchasing process. In addition, we also offer various discounts and coupon codes that can help make your purchase more affordable. UltaHost offers free domain names for all our annual plans. All our fast hosting plans comes with unlimited bandwidth and 24/7 support with unlimited free server migrations from any host. With UltaHost, buying a domain name has never been easier. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.